management model, which I use with my client companies. I've been doing it for a long time. We begin with water sources. Niranjan Khatri comes from ITC, which has done a superb job of improving and developing new water sources and sustaining them, taking care of them, and not just draining. So one of the things that corporates used to do, demand from the central and state government and the district authorities that water be ready as a condition for an investment. And you know the problem, the debate in Kerala and other states between Coke, Pepsi on the one side and the state on the other. The drink is sucking away of water from the water tables. So a company should reach out behind its value chain and see what it can do to invest, trigger, provide technology, counsel, involve the rural people, and from where water can be sourced, water can be saved and added. So they have a responsibility to the water sources and not just passive takers of a ready-made water source made available by the government or the community. Of course, manufacturing operations is easy. It is within their control. It would be criminal negligence if they don't reduce water consumption. And many of our industries have been doing it. Those of you who, I hope some of you invest in equity, not just in fixed deposits and risk-free investments. And if you do get annual reports, you will notice that the Indian tire industry, which is normally not a very high sexy image, has been doing a great deal in reducing consumption of water per tire produced. The steel industry has been reducing consumption. This is in their own interest. The water cost has been going up. So pricing is one strategy, whether carbon or water or any other resource. But the initiative, the dharma of the corporate is to itself look for the best technology. That somebody else uses water irresponsibly is no excuse. If we take that view, the whole world will veer towards adharma, then dharma pulling people up into a better practice. The second most important group that they have to deal with are the vendors, and the SEBI standards now require that the vendors should also be certified by the main manufacturer and audited by qualified technical auditors. So the vendor's own premises, capability. So this is coaching, counseling, training, posting a person there, and putting conditions on vendors, and if necessary have imports substitute and give them a pressure to improve. The transport chain, ex-vendor premises, the product may meet the water standards, but en route, depending on the transport, transport environment, the less important but still relevant is the distribution chain, as it goes out to the warehouses, stores, retails, all the way down. If there are any water implications of that chain, again, the main company, the corporate, must take responsibility for it, and in partnership with the distribution chain, optimize the water. Then become whatever process you do, there will be effluents. And the corporate dharma includes the best possible effluent treatment. And out of that treatment, whatever water can be recycled and reduce drawing from the water sources, that should be recycled. And what cannot be recycled should be provided for external use, if necessary, after some treatment, and to authorities, utilities who can use that water. So that provides a picture, a process, a flow, and challenges to the corporate management.